Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and here is my final review of the Yiroo hair. If you remember, I won a Yiroo hair giveaway, and I came to you with the initial unboxing. I was waiting for my birthday to wear the hair. I did take this to a professional to be colored. She didn't do the color that I asked for. I don't know if it was the hair or her. I wanted a 27, a blonde 27. This is more like a 30 or 33. It's more on the auburn side. The hair is beautiful though. If you see this, the hair took the color well. The hair bleached well. I don't have a lot of shedding. It doesn't feel rough. It feels very silky. The reason I took it to a professional was to get it to lift as light as it could. But that's nor here nor there. Like I said, I don't know if it was the hair or not. This is a wig. She actually made me a wig. I did tell her I didn't want a lot of hair on the wig. So she did give me the remainder of the hair that was left. And there was a lot of hair left. This is how it is after coloring. This is how it is once she flat ironed it. So I still have a lot of hair left that I may do something with. I'll have to go back and look at the video to see the inches that I had. I'm trying to show you guys. It goes down. It's right below my bra line. The hair lands right below my bra line. It's not completely to my bottom, but it is past my bra line. So I do actually love the length of the hair. So this is the final results of the hair. It's my birthday weekend, so you will see me in pictures. You'll see me on Instagram in the hair. I'll let you know how I like it, how it wears. Like I said, I did it on a wig because I felt like I would get more use out of it and it would last longer. I didn't want to do a sew-in and I didn't want to glue the hair down. I felt like the hair was definitely too good of a hair to glue down. And I didn't want to do a sew-in because I wanted to be able to take it off and put it on. I don't want to sleep on it. Right now, I just have it glued down on the front. She did give me a strap in the back. I asked her for combs, but I wasn't able to tell if she gave me the combs or not. But it is really, really tight on my head, so I don't have any complaints about that. And I just used wig glue, lace glue. I did not do any baby hairs. I felt like it was, she didn't do any baby hairs. I felt like it was just natural, just the way it was. Even when she put it on for me, I was like, leave the natural look. I don't always need baby hairs. I'm old enough where I don't need baby hairs with every look that I do. So I really do like it. She did a middle part. The next time I do it, I may change it to a side part. You guys know I like a side part as well. But this is the hair. Thank you, Yiroo. And the young lady that did the giveaway, her information will be tagged down below. Yiroo's information will be tagged down below on their Instagram, on their Facebook. The hair is absolutely wonderful, you guys. Absolutely wonderful. Colored very well. I just wish it was a little bit lighter. And I may try to lift it myself again once I take the unit off, or after my birthday weekend, I may try to lift it again, or I may just leave it. But I do absolutely love the hair after coloring. Do you see that? It's not stiff. It's not hard. It's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Definitely check out this company. All the links are down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.